Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Equinox key fob here. It works for these models, 2015, and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this, 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is press this button over here to open your mechanical key like this, and right after that turn the fob like this to the back, and when you open this mechanical key like this, right here you see the hole. And now we need to remove this back piece here, this piece, and the easiest way to remove it is just with your thumbs press here and just push this piece up, and when you press it up you'll be able to remove it very easily. So when you remove this back piece here, right after that here you will see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again it's very easy. Take the small flat screwdriver, insert it here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery here, in the same place just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, take this back piece again. Make sure you align it perfectly here, all corners to match perfectly, everything have to fit together nicely, and just snap them together like this. And when you snap them together like this, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.